Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you two investments that I am going to be making into real estate investment trusts, or REITs. So I decided that I wanted to invest in a real estate investment trust after recently doing a video on different asset classes where I talked about the stocks and shares that I'm invested in, the ETFs, funds, trusts, and then the small amount of crypto that I also have in my investment portfolio. And I shared that the only property that I'm currently invested in is the property that I bought to live in, or we bought to live in, a few years ago. So that is my only real estate investment at the moment. And throughout the time I've had on YouTube and also on that video, I had a couple of comments about investing in real estate investment trusts. And to be honest, there's something that I've avoided because I didn't know a lot about them. So I went away and did a bit of research, a small amount. I would certainly say I am absolutely not an expert on them. But I did a bit of research and I've decided to gently dip my toe into the water by just investing a very small amount into two real estate investment trusts on my Freetrade account. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a little bit around what a real estate investment trust is very quickly, and then I'll just be sharing the two investments that I've decided to make in real estate on my Freetrade account and explain a little bit about why I chose them. So to qualify as a real estate investment trust, at least 75% of profits must come from property rental. 75% of the company's assets must also be involved in the rental business. And then also, really importantly, 90% of their rental income must be paid out to investors. So in exchange for operating within these quite strict rules and to encourage investment in real estate, they don't pay corporation or capital gains tax on their property investments. So in terms of deciding which real estate investment trust I wanted to invest in, I wanted to focus more on industrial and then also on warehousing. So I didn't want to buy a real estate investment trust that focused on investing on the high street. I also, at the moment, am not interested in residential ones either. So my focus was finding ones that I wanted to invest in that were warehousing or industrial. So I have found two that meet the criteria that I was looking for. One is UK based and then one is based in the US in Southern California. So I'm just going to buy them on Freetrade now. So as I said, because I am still very, very new to investing in these, I am only going to be investing a small amount, so £15 into each one. So my Freetrade account is kind of like my fun account where I just invest small amounts of money into individual stocks and shares, and then obviously now into real estate investment trusts. But where I choose to invest more of my money is in my investment ISA, or my stocks and shares ISA, which is where I invest predominantly in funds, trusts and ETFs. And within my Freetrade account, I buy different stocks and shares, and now obviously real estate investment trusts for smaller amounts of money, for money that I would be comfortable losing. I do my research when I invest in my Freetrade account, but I do not do as much research as I do when I am investing in larger amounts of money in my investment ISA. So definitely, please go away and do your own research. Definitely don't go and copy what I am doing in my Freetrade account, because I'm not an expert and this is where I put money that I am prepared to lose. Hopefully I will make money, but yeah, it's not such a serious investment account, if that makes sense. So I will only be investing £15 into each of these real estate investment trusts. The first one is the Warehouse Real Estate Investment Trust, and it is actually called Warehouse. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So you can see actually in the last month, this has dropped 8.18%. A lot of the investments that I have dropped quite considerably, but I want to go ahead and buy this now. So I'm going to click buy and I am choosing to invest £15 into this. I'll then click review order. So that gives me 9 shares of this real estate investment trust. So that's all done. So that is the UK based one. And then the second one that I wanted to invest in is a US based real estate investment trust. And they are based in Southern California. So again, I'm just going to buy a small amount of that one. It is Rexford Industrial and the symbol for that is REXR. And again, just buying a really small amount, so £15 or as close to £15 as I can get. So reviewing that order, the cost of it is $14.98. So I'm going to confirm the buy for that. And now that is hopefully all done. Yep, all done. So those are the 2 real estate investment trusts that I am adding to my portfolio. As you can see from this video, I am certainly no expert on investing in real estate investment trusts. This is the first time I've done it, and I have only invested a total of £30. So please go away and do your own research, because I absolutely wouldn't want you to just follow what I'm doing. But I hope you found this video interesting. It might be something that I expand on when I have the time to do more research. If it goes well and I feel more comfortable with it, I may end up investing in my investment ISA with larger amounts of money in a real estate investment trust, but I do think I need to spend a bit more time doing much more research on this. I do find it very interesting, but as I said, it's certainly not my area of expertise. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you're having a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.